Here's the one thing that I think most people are missing about how to use ChatGPT or pretty much any form of artificial intelligence in order to enhance your creativity. Treat it like an intern, a super smart intern, but not something that has all the answers. I hate this idea that people think, oh, it made a mistake, it's a one and done, it should have the right answer the first time. When you work with an intern, you don't expect it to have the right answer, but you expect it to help you to get more done more efficiently. And by having a playful attitude, a creative sense of experimentation, then you get great results. Unlike an intern, ChatGPT doesn't mind redoing and redoing and redoing, and that's the creative opportunity. That's the opportunity to play and have fun. Keep asking questions, experiment, get creative in your own imagination in how you ask the questions and how you ask ChatGPT to help you, and then it's much more satisfying, it's much more empowering, and you get much better results.